Take out the rubber strip. Use pry tool to open the panel from the gap. Move the pry tool along the gap. Take out the panel. Use pry tool to take out the expansion screw. Take out the strip along the foot panel. Take out the foot panel. There are 3 metal clips. Pay special attention to it. Do not let it fall off. If stuck here, take it out. Clip it back here. Disconnect the original connector. Use a needle to push a plastic out. Plug our big male into original big female. Plug original male into our female. Our male into original female. Fix it and recover everything.